Il-minuta tibda issa. Edith Devaney, Artistic Director of MICAS.
So we've just opened an exhibition by the Portuguese artist Joanna Vasconcelos. Her work is very lively, exuberant, has got loads of references. She very much engaged with Malta when she visited us in the planning of the exhibition. In addition to Joanna Vasconcelos, which is in the main galleries, we also have an exhibition of the work of Conrad Shawcross, which is shown in the fortification vaults. There's a lot to see on the site.
And who would you suggest to come view these exhibitions?
It really is accessible to everyone. And whether you're an art historian or whether you're a young person or a child who just wants to engage with something beautiful, everyone will get something from it.
And what upcoming projects are you currently working on?
So we're very excited about our program, which we've planned for the next 2 years. The next exhibition after the Joanna Vasconcelos finishes will be an exhibition of Maltese artists. And we've also got a new sculpture by another Maltese artist, Ray Petraea, unveiling early next year. There's a lot to look forward to.